How to check 2024 Snap Recap on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can check 2024 Snap Recap on Snapchat. For this, you want to be using the latest version of the Snapchat app. Open up Play Store or App Store on your device. Now tap on the search bar over here. Go ahead and search for Snapchat. If you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once your application has been updated, open up Snapchat. Now, make sure to sign in account. If you want to check your 2024 Snap Recap, tap on the Memories icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here at the top section, you will find your 2024 Snap Recap. Go ahead and tap on this. Once you tap on it, as you can see, your 2024 Snap Recap is ready. Now you can view this and then tap on the Send To option. Now you can send this to your friend list from here. And in this way, you can check the 2024 Snap Recap. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.